Well, guys, this is going to be my first video that I'm calling an unboxing video. Yep. I'm going to call it a surprise unboxing video. This is going to be number one. So, yeah. Anyways, I got this in the mail from Facebook Marketplace.
Thanks, guys. I appreciate it.
Ain't no problem at all. It's our
Let's
pleasure.
open it.
Now tell me.
I like this wrap
That's right.
paper.
I'm here to make it big.
You hear that, Ricky?
Hear what? I don't hear anything. It's not that cat again, is it?
I mean, do you hear that our new friend here is a musician?
So, on the count of 10, I'll show you.
I figured the
Starting
best way
now.
to become rich and famous was to play
10,
my music here in the
9,
big city.
8,
Maybe I'll get lucky.
7,
Get a recording
6,
deal.
I
5,
know just
4,
the place for you to get noticed.
2,
You do?
1.
Sure I do.
Have a look.
Mind you, client,
Yep,
will
I
make
finally
sure
got
they get you
the
noticed.
extremely rare 2016 just the Bob Miller Hold On To Your Heart house. Yep. Been wanting to see this for a while, and I finally got it. And as you all know, it's extremely rare. It's the last Bob Miller VHS 7/8. So yep, I'm glad I finally have it. So, yeah.
You remember what I told you on the
First,
way
we
over
got the
here?
I
front.
should always be friendly. Make sure everybody has
Side.
plenty of cocoa and donuts. And
Other
never
side.
stop singing.
He's a
Top
smart one, isn't
and
he,
the back.
Ricky? He'll be big in no time.
Yeah.
Yeah, this was
Big time
purchased from
in no
Walmart. I'm gonna put the sticker on the front once I'm done recording.
Hey Louie, give me a truckload
That
of
says
shredded
our
fudge
fudge
covered in
straw
honey,
surprise.
truck tires, and a glass of moon. Yes?
You got it, Edna.
Hey, Lou,
Off, bro.
how's it going?
Rocco, you rat. Get out of here.
Off-road Scrambler,
Good to see
meet
you, too.
Majority,
This here's Pork Chopper.
Majority, and Mux Mud
Why
Hut.
should I let this guy
Approximately
play
40
here?
minutes. See ya. Let's see if I can get
Cocoa and donuts for everyone.
Cocoa and donuts on the house. Pork Chop Brown is buying. Now give me some money and I'll make sure the donuts and cocoa keep on coming.
I might see if I can go ahead and
I
put
really
this
have to
sticker
talk
on.
to you about my house.
Can't this wait, Jenny? I really have to get the hen house repaired.
I think it would be best if we talked about
This
this
is
now.
what it looks like.
Jenny, I want to take good care of you.
Yep.
You are
We
very
got the
important.
tape, of course,
I even
it's
think I
flat
can help you with
because
some of your
it's
projects.
later
But
2006.
right now, I have
This
to
is
get the hen
distributed by
house
Queen
fixed,
Street
so the
Fox.
chickens won't get all wet. And they need
Current
my
date.
help more right now.
Well, it seems nobody cares about me and my needs.
Looks like, yeah, just like all copies of April 2nd, 2006. I think that's the current day on all
Donuts and cocoa
copies.
for everyone.
Yeah.
Freshen up those
Is that? I hope you all enjoyed this. I'm glad I found out.
Great
So, yeah.
job, Pork Chop.
Peace out.
You really rock.